We start in the Webex Developer Portal. Here we create a new OAuth integration. This generates a client ID and client secret and allows us to define the exact scopes the application will use. In this case, we select user-level scopes for meetings, recordings, transcripts, and messaging. No admin-level permissions required. We also configure the redirect URI so Webex can securely return the authenticated user. This ensures the AI will act strictly on behalf of the authenticated user. Next, we move to the Cequence AI Gateway. From My Apps, we select Webex and configure it as an MCP server. The gateway converts selected Webex APIs into MCP-compatible tools without writing any code. We then configure OAuth using the credentials created in Webex. Once deployed, the MCP endpoint is generated and ready to connect to an AI assistant. At this point, Webex is securely MCP enabled. First, I retrieve my Webex user profile. Claude calls the Webex user API through the MCP server and returns structured account details, including display name, email, account type, status, and last activity. This confirms that OAuth authentication is working and that the assistant is operating strictly under the authenticated user's identity. Next, I ask Claude to get the recordings from my last meeting. It identifies the most recent meeting and returns the recording metadata, including the topic, recording time, duration, file format, and playback link. This shows secure access to user-scoped meeting recordings. I then request the transcript of that meeting and ask for a summary. Claude retrieves the full transcript from Webex and generates a structured summary highlighting the key points discussed. This demonstrates how collaboration data can be automatically transformed into actionable insight. Finally, I schedule a Webex meeting. Claude prepares the meeting details, presents them for confirmation, and then creates the meeting and sends the invite. This confirms both read and write operations, securely executed through the MCP server. Webex is now securely agent-enabled, with authenticated access to user data, meeting intelligence, and real-time scheduling, all through the Cequence AI Gateway.